everyone! Today I've prepared a lesson for you on working with scales brushes. This texture is very popular in design and architecture, used for everything from wall finishes to textiles, stone mosaics and decorative elements. And with the next year being the year of the snake, this theme is especially relevant. First, let me tell you a bit about this brush set. It includes 12 different brushes, from snake-inspired patterns to graphic textures. They're perfect for creating ceramics, interior and exterior designs. I usually prefer to work with these brushes on 2 layers. The first layer is for color and texture. The second layer is for adding graphic elements, which allows us to create various effects. Let's give it a try. First, select a rectangular area and fill it with any color. Open the set named Materials in the Basic Brushes and choose a textured brush. Then, select a color that's slightly lighter, and another one that is darker. Increase the brush size and use varying pressure to apply strokes on the background rectangle. Next, add a new layer. Now, choose a gold shade. Open the scale set and add the pattern. Make sure that the selection is enabled throughout the process. I'm going to lock the scales layer by swiping it slightly to the right, or by using alpha lock. This way, I'll be painting only within the scales. To find recently used brushes, go to the folder named Recents. I'll grab the brush used for the texture and add light and dark gradients to enhance the effect. You can adjust the brush size to create smooth transitions that give the scales a golden sheen. Now I'll show you how to create a full pattern out of this sample. As a textile decorator, I just cannot resist showing you how to apply this technique to curtains, tiles or wallpaper. When creating a pattern, it's important to maintain the repeat of the design. First, duplicate the layer, keeping one as a backup. I'll insert a transparent curtain template and start assembling the pattern, carefully aligning the duplicated layers. Use the eraser with a soft brush to soften the edges and blend the lines between sections. Then I'll merge the layers and increase the image size to fit the curtain. making sure that it covers the curtain completely. The layer with the pattern should be above the curtain layer. Next, I open the clip-in mask and choose the blending mode. Using curves, you can adjust the saturation and brightness. Pulling the left handle adds depth to the folds, while the top handle adjusts the overall brightness. I'll fine-tune the pattern to achieve the desired look. These textured brushes are perfect for creating realistic surfaces. For example, if you want to imitate tiles, you can add grout lines between the tiles for a more detailed effect. Use these brushes and experiment. They're frequently used not only in interior design but in other types of styling as well. I really enjoy working with them, and I hope you'll like them too.